All right, I'm going to take a look at Amazon. Amazon big breakout today, and this is very notable because Amazon tested the same point 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth, and then breakout. 5 times. 5 times getting near this resistance level, rejecting, and today was a big breakout. The new CEO is taking over. There was news that the government, I don't know exactly what part of the government, they canceled the deal with Microsoft, and that could play out in favor for Amazon. The deal with Microsoft was for over $10 billion, some cloud data thing. And basically, Amazon put a case to the courts to say that that decision to give Microsoft that deal with the government was influenced by Donald Trump, because Donald Trump is not a fan of, whatever you want to say, of Jeff Bezos. Because Donald Trump and Jeff Bezos had some beef, apparently Donald Trump influenced the decision for the government to give the contract to Microsoft instead of Amazon. But now the government canceled that contract with Microsoft, and that might play out in favor for Amazon. Amazon's breaking out today. Very big breakout. The next resistances we're looking at is psychological numbers. 3,700, 3,800, 3,900, 4,000. And this upper Bollinger Band right here, which is right around the 4,000 mark. That's the monthly upper Bollinger Band. This is a blue sky breakout. Amazon has never seen these prices before. That's what a blue sky breakout is. And Amazon is taking off right now. It's been consolidating all the way back since end of July. And now we're finally seeing a breakout. And what's notable, it had a double bottom on the monthly. Every year, look at year after year, Amazon just delivering value to shareholders. Each candlestick represents 1 year. This is the dot-com bubble crash. Look at that. You don't even notice it on the year chart. That's the dot-com bubble crash in the States. It's getting quite a bit overbought on the yearly chart. But I haven't ever seen anything like this, really. So I don't know whether to trust that or not. I'm sure at some point, whether end of this year, next year, at some point, we're going to see some consolidation on the yearly chart. But there wasn't often. You look back, there was years where it was negative or didn't make much of a move at all, many times in a row. But for the past 10 plus years, it's been on absolute fire, Amazon. So this is a big breakout today. Volume is fairly high, but this is breakout volume. This is not a volume spike at the high where we're going to just drop off. This is breakout volume. Now, if this volume were to go like up here, this high or something, then I would think maybe there would be a temporary sell-off. But this volume is high, but it's not that high. If you look in the past, this is breakout volume. I think the stock is breaking out to all-time highs. Blue sky breakout. Had this big cup and handle, basically. Look at that. Similar to Shopify. Actually, I want to take a look at Shopify. We had a double bottom on the daily. I'm sure it shows on the weekly as well. Double bottom. Cup and handle. Big breakout today. Let's take a look now. Check this out. Shopify looks very similar. Double bottom, cup and handle. It didn't break out yet because it didn't pass this high yet. This high is 1552 US. It's around 1920, 1930, 1940 or something Canadian. But it looks like it's going to break out. Shopify's chart is very similar. Shopify's been consolidating for a while. It's been on more of an uptrend than Amazon since August. But it's been consolidating overall, setting that low, high, higher low, higher high. Chart's looking good. Next resistance is over 1,600 on the U.S. chart on the upper Bollinger Band on the monthly. Similar to Amazon, year after year, delivering value to shareholders. These are the type of stocks that normally you're going to be looking at to hold long-term positions, because you look at the history and year after year, these companies are delivering value to shareholders. Whereas BlackBerry, as much as I love BlackBerry, it has not been. But take a look at AMD. Take a look at AMD right over here. And we take a look at AMD. And look, AMD went up and it crashed. And it went up and it crashed. Many times before. Up, crash. And the last crash, stock was dead for quite some time. And look at that. And it's still going up. Getting a bit overextended now on AMD. We'll probably want to see some consolidation here before potentially heading to all-time highs and breaking out. But looks good overall. So we won't get too into that. But I'm saying could happen to BlackBerry too. Where is it? You never know. You never know. Look at that. This is BlackBerry back in the day when BlackBerries were hot. 2008. Crashed with the global financial crisis. Big rebound. Their sales were actually the highest. Their revenue was the highest around here, 2009, 2010. But the stock already started declining. It already started a downtrend. And this is an example of the market anticipating in the future. At this point, iPhone was starting to get very popular. And at that point, even though BlackBerry was still the leader, BlackBerry was making all kinds of money, the market anticipated the future before it even happened. Basically, that's what happened. Now, we'll look at BlackBerry in another video. Check out my BlackBerry video. I'm not going to get more into it. Amazon taking off. Big breakout. Shopify taking off. Possibly big breakout. Keep an eye on these stocks. E-commerce stocks in general. I'm going to pull this stock up just to see because I'm curious. eBay. No, it didn't correlate today. eBay has been going up overall, but it didn't correlate with the other e-commerce stocks. So that's interesting because a lot of the time, a lot of these stocks that are in the same category, same sector, they move together. But obviously, Shopify and Amazon are more big now, I think, than eBay. I think eBay still makes a lot of money, though, mind you. Anyways, I'm going to leave that in there, actually, for the future. Just in case. You never know what's going on with eBay. Maybe they'll make some big splash. Anyways, thanks, guys, for watching. We'll talk soon. Amazon to the moon, I guess. This is not financial advice. Anything could happen. I mean, it looks good, right? I didn't talk about the bear case. There is a bear case. Could be a fake breakout pullback. I don't think so. This chart looks good to me. That's not on my mind at all. This looks like a really big breakout to me. But it is possible. Anything is possible. You don't know the market for sure. But technical analysis works quite well, and this looks like a nice breakout. Thanks, guys, for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Check out the course and more. Have a good night.